Hello there, my name is Carl, I'm from Keys for You Locksmith. Today we're going to talk about UPVC doors, changing a UPVC door lock to a smart lock Conexis from Yale. The pains of actually having a key: one, you lose the key; two, the keys might get into the wrong hands, which can be a security issue. But most importantly, do you have children? How are they going to get in the house if they don't have keys? Today we're going to take this lock off, put on a smart lock today, and show you the benefits of actually having a smart lock on your UPVC door. Here we are inside, using the key, and what we're going to do is change this particular lock to a Conexis L1. So what we're going to do now is remove the existing handle off the door and replace it with the Conexis L1. Now the door is ready to fit the new smart lock. If you are getting us to come and install the lock for you, that's brilliant. But if you are doing it yourself, please ensure that you are reading the manual which comes with inside the box. Now that we've fit the internal handle, we can now insert the 4 AA batteries into the unit.
To arm and lock the Conexis lock, simply pull the handle upwards. Give it a few moments, and you can now check that your door is locked. To open the Conexis lock, you can use the smart card, the key fob, or the app by simply touching the unlock button and then the receiver on the lock, giving it a moment, and then you can open the door. For more information about the lock or our installation service, please don't hesitate to give us a call on 0333 305 2895.